안녕하세요, L1.
안녕하세요.
So, how's your day? Kumusta man mo? Okay, ra. So, today, we were going to read your story. What is the title of the story, Gani?
The kind little bird.
Okay, start reading. Kamusa tanan? 1, 2, set, go.
The kind little bird. One day a little bird saw a hungry puppy under the tree. The bird felt sorry for the puppy, so it flew toward the girl. So a girl came with food and water for the puppy. The puppy wagged its tail happily. That little bird was happy because kindness can make others smile.
Okay, so I will explain the story and after mag-ask ko question, then magpa-read ko ninyo one by one. Okay? So, the kind little bird. Unsa may kind? What is kind? What is kind? Buutan, matinabangon, or buutan. Kind. Okay. One day, a little bird saw a hungry puppy in the tree. Under that tree. So, ang little bird ko no, unsa iyang nakitaan? Hungry. What is hungry? Gutom. Very good. Nakita si little bird og gutom na puppy iro. The bird felt sorry for the puppy. So, he flew and find help. Unsa may flow? Nilupad. Very good, Ila. Reniela. Nilupad siya nun. Kaya nangayo siya og tabang. Kay para makakaon si Papi. Mangita siya tabang. Nga naay mo tabang ni Papi para makafeed. Mafeed siya. Soon, a girl came with food and water for the puppy. Kay nangayo mag-help ang bird. No, nangayo siya help. Nilupad siya. Kataod-taod, na iniabot nga girl. Nagdala og pagkaon og water. What's water? Food and water. Pagkaon og tubig. The puppy waged his tail. Unsa may wage?
Okay, for tonight, we have a new story. Ang title is The Little Red Wagon. Wagon, wagon. So, The Little Red Wagon. So, ito sa basa ng story. 1, 2, 3, go. Tom has a new wagon. Wagon. The wagon is red.
The wagon is red.
It has 4 big wheels.
It has 4 big wheels.
Wheels.
Tom wants
To take his toy to the park.
to the park.
He put his teddy bear
He puts his teddy bear
in a wagon.
in a wagon.
Tom
Tom
pulls the wagon
pulls the wagon
all the way
to
the park.
the park.
It was a fun trip.
It was a fun trip.
Okay, so I will explain ha. So, the little red wagon. So, little gali. Pasabot ka ng little kay? Okay, gamay. Very good, Angela. Ang kanang little, gamay. Tapos, ang red, pula. So, kaning wagon, so, kanang nang murag kariton. So, kailan mo murag kariton? Kailan mo wala? Kailan kariton. So, kanang siyang wagon, marami siya na niya. Ato pa doon, no? So, wagon. Kanang na siya. So, kanina dali katunglaw na niya, kanyang dirakunon sa bata. Sabot, so, murag na siya ang forma. Okay, so, Tom has a new wagon. So, nako na siya bago nga wagon. The wagon is red. Ano sa color sa wagon?
Red.
Okay, red. So, it has 4 big wheels. So, naada ko na siya, pila ka wheels?
4.
Okay, 4 big wheels ha. So, dagko daw nga ligid. Kaning wheels mo na ang ligid. Kasabot. Okay, next. Tom wants to take his toy to the park. So, si Tom daw ko no, unsa man tiyang toy? Ang wagon no. So, si Tom wants to take his toy sa asaman? Sa park. So, yan ako natudagkon sa park. Tapos, he put his teddy bear in a wagon. So, kinsay kailag ko, kinsay wala kailag teddy bear. So, ko kailag teddy bear? So, ang teddy bear, kanang stuffed toy ba? Sabot mo? Oh, nanay baboy. Oh, na earring, na rabbit basta daghan na siya. Okay. So Tom pulls the wagon. Saan pulls? Gi? Okay, very good. Gi? Tukmod. Very good dyan. So yan, gitukmod ang wagon all the way to the park. So, yan daw kung nagitukmod kasi ang wagon, so kumuni ang wagon, kaya gitukmod padong adto sa park.